house.
They are struggling. We must do something to help. Look! A shooting star!
Let's make a wish and help them.
We wish that
our parents' troubles disappear.
Why do I feel so much better?
Why are we in heaven?
So that means we were the problems all along.
Probably just you.
And not the one pooping all over the house. Look here! Why are you ignoring me? Mom, what did I do wrong? If I made you upset, then please tell me.
I wish this didn't
What didn't happen, Mom?
I wish I could see
But I'm
Polina.
right here, Mom. Go ask Dad why Mom is ignoring me. Dad, why is Mom mad? Even Dad is ignoring me. Because I didn't clean my room? You're ignoring me too? Your TV isn't even on.
It's so lonely here.
I will speak to Bro. He will tell me. Baba, please tell me. Did I upset parents? I hate all of you. I am leaving this house.
This is horrible.
It's my bestie. Stella, it's me.
Polina, I am so sorry.
You can see me.
Of course I can.
My family ignored me all...
Darling, your family died in a car crash last week.
What? Mom, Dad, brother.
But where am I?
You weren't born back then.
Happy birthday.
Yaya, I am so happy.
Stop it. Remember, we must all be sad.
But why must we be sad?
How could I forget? It's my birthday. This is so sad.
Worst day ever.
I got you an iPhone for your birthday. Thanks, Nana. iPhone 69. This is sad.
Can I play Roblox?
Yes, you can. For 1,000 years.
But it's my laptop.
We bought you a new one as a birthday gift.
Yeah, I mean, this is the worst day.
Oh my god!
What's wrong, Karen?
This is horrible. I use hair removal cream instead of shampoo. Polina,
not
don't
laugh.
laugh.
Hold it, Polina.
I am trying.
Just look at me. I'm all bald.
I told you must not laugh.
Because anyone that laughs dies.
You 100% deserve that.
It was so worth it. How does someone even mix up hair removal cream for shampoo?
Shut up, Polina.
Look, it's the creep who wears the baby costume.
What the hell is that, Polina? You look like a baby.
Shut up, Karen!
Is that your Halloween costume? Instead of saying trick or treat, are you gonna say goo and gaw?
Keep watching and you'll find out.
She is such a weirdo.
You are a freak.
Get away from here. You don't deserve to live. Keep running, loser. Hey, you two. Don't you know what that girl went through? Isn't she just a creep? You will regret laughing at her.
Meet your baby brother.
He is so cute.
He is so sweet.
You are smiling so much, Mom. I am glad to see you happy.
Life will only get better.
I am back from school. What's wrong, Mom?
Your baby brother, he passed away.
Wait, what, that Vava?
No, you dummy, that was before Vava. What happened?
He had a terminal illness.
I'll be gone for 5 days. Please, Nana, don't leave. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Of course it will.
Well, I will just play some Roblox.
Your top is mine, and so are your Robux. It all belongs to me. That's the fate of the oldest. And if you disagree, all I need to do is cry. Mom will slap your bum bum. So if you don't wanna die, then I'll play your queen. I am the youngest, everyone loves me. Cute face activated, shaking voice on. Now Mom will believe me no matter what. Nana stays the oldest, but soon Nana will die. But I won't be sad, I won't even cry. Her house will be mine and I will steal her money. Polina, you're so ugly, I am sweet like honey. Flexing on the oldest and little kids. And if you want my risen Sigma skills, then I'll play your queen. I am the youngest, everyone loves me. Cute face activated, shaking voice on. Now Mom won't believe me no matter what. Yeah, oh, no matter what. Yeah, oh, I obey you, my queen, and your riz and skill. But before you win, there is just one thing. What is it, servant? Tell me now. Nana's plane got cancelled and she just came back. Hide your care and you are out of the will. Now get kids away from screen because I am about to kill. Mother, my Jesus, diarrhea. You are the queen. Cute face won't help. I am on a killing spree. Your mom won't help. Cause if she tries, she will also be dead. No matter
Where's my
what.
Taylor Swift box ticket?
Girls, let's go.
I will just take hers. Here.
Where is my ticket?
If you lost it, you are staying home.
Thanks for the ticket, sister.
Karen stole it. I will show her.
Hello, who is this?
It's Polina. I need a favor.
This is a new song from my album called Karen is a Liar. Karen, the queen of the cat. Stop blaming Polina, you little brat. spilling all the tea, but it's mostly just phone. Girl, you're a walking meme, can you just go home? I know about the ticket, should we tell your mom? You stole it from Paulina, but you pretty dumb, cause she told me all the truth over the phone. After I expose you, you will get disowned. Karen is a lot. It's time to hit her jaw. All she does is cries and tell lies to.
Everyone loves our music shorts, which is why today we will be reacting to the best music short of all time.
Singing is the best.
Ouch my ears. This is worst singing ever.
Shut up, Kaka.
I'm not Baba, you dummy!
Whatever, Baka.
I'm gonna kill ya!
I am going to break the TV and blame it on you and Paulina.
Who just blew up TV? That must have been me. Mom will be mad, all I can say is whoopsie. Plus I will blame it on you two. Kaka and Paulina did that, it's true. But it was Karen, youngest never lies. I will smack you both like flies. Smacky, 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 smack, jatty, jatty, jatty. That's it, I've had enough. I will teach Karen how the middle child feels. Morning, dear sister, give me your iPad. If you don't do it, I'll tell Mom you did something bad. Do what you want, I don't care. Mommy Paulina stole my teddy bear. I don't care, you stupid brat. Enough chat, grab a broom and clean the flat. What the cat? I am the youngest sibling and I do no chores. You are no longer youngest, we are now the middle child bros. Since yesterday, me and Paulina adopted another kid. Karen cleaned for 100 hours, now you know how middle child feels. My chat just got level 1000 karma, you broke all my dreams. Like and subscribe to decide how long she cleans.
How dare you to do this to me? I am an innocent poor girl.
We are not falling for this.
In fact, guys, like the video right now for us to do a diss track on Karen.
Way to distract.
Keep liking, guys.
We are almost done cooking.
No.
We are done.
Dumb dummy Karen, Miss Zero IQ. Call me Kaka, but you look like poo. Miss Worst Hair 2025. Hairstyle looking like a beehive.
Always gets F grades, the dumbest in the family. She has Coco Melon in her photo gallery. We gonna roast you like chicken KFC. You just got outplayed, don't you see?
You roasted me so hard.
Not as hard you roasted your teacher.
Wait, I did with my brain.
No, with your dumbness. Why aren't you in school? Your mama I shall call. I am sorry, teacher. My sister is in hospital. Paulina is in hospital. Yes, I am so upset. I am sorry for shouting, and I am sorry for the threat. How many days off school do you need? They say she might be here for at least 100 weeks. I can't stop my tears. My sister might be in hospital for years. Is she dying? Can I speak to Paulina? Yes, you can. She is right over here. How you feeling, darling? I hope you aren't feeling worse. I feel pretty great since I got my first job as a nurse. Wait a minute. Correct, I am giving the tip to your stupid bum bum. I outsmarted my teacher because I am so dumb. At least you admit that you are a dummy.
We are making progress here.
I've had enough of you two. I am gonna call Mom.
Did you forget? You are the middle child now?
Yeah, now Mom roasts you.
Wait, she roast me?
Don't you remember what happened when you had an F grade?
No, I don't. Was it something bad?
Something bad for you, and very funny for us.
Hello, Miss Ohio, what is my grade? You got an F, I am ashamed, but F is for fantastic, isn't that right? F is for failure, your brain is not bright. Mamma mia, Jesus diarrhea, I need to run home, Mommy is gonna kill you. I am sorry, Mama Gemma, I got some bad news. What is it, Karen G at Smith? Did you lose your 5 IQ? No, Mama Gemma, I got an F grade. I won't be mad if you tell me why you failed. I watched Coco Melon a bit too much. I didn't got to extra practice during lunch. That's okay, darling, as long as you learn from mistake. Do you learn from the errors that you make? Of course I do. Every day I learn a lot from you. Wait a minute. Mom just roasted my fatty daddy like it's KFC.
Hey, that's not funny.
Speaking of KFC, do you remember when parents lied about Karen's age in KFC?
No, I don't because you never took me.
Oh, Kaka is a loner.
Stop calling me Kaka.
Lonely Kaka.
I said stop it.
Lolito Kakito. I said stop it, you brain rot loving abanga wanga.
While these two are fighting, let's watch the KFC video.
Alright kids, we are going KFC. Today all kids under 6 eat for free. But I am 7, isn't that right? That's why when waitress asks you must lie. Good luck teaching her, she is dumb. I'm not dumb, I am a stupid bum. Let's practice Karen, how old are you? I am 7, what about you? I am just kidding, it'll all be fine. Let's go to KFC and eat all night. Hello everyone, what would you like? I want the Riz bucket and the giant fries. Can I have some chicken wings? Are you under 6?